Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your Verizon Wi-Fi password quickly and easily. Whether you forgot your password, got a new router, or just want better security, here's exactly what to do. Change password using the My Verizon app. This is the easiest method. Open the My Verizon app, sign into your Verizon account, go to your internet section, select your Wi-Fi network, tap Edit Wi-Fi settings, enter your new password, tap Save. Your router will update automatically. After that, reconnect your devices using the new password. Change password through router login. If you prefer using a browser, here's what to do. Connect to your Verizon Wi-Fi. Open a browser and type 192.168.1.1. Press Enter. Log in using the admin details printed on your router label. Go to Wi-Fi or wireless settings. Find the password field. Enter your new password. Click Apply or Save. Your router may restart. Once it's back online, reconnect your devices. Quick security tips. When creating your new Wi-Fi password, use at least 12 characters. Mix uppercase and lowercase letters. Add numbers. Include symbols like @ hash, or $. Avoid simple words, birthdays, or names. A strong password protects your network from unwanted access. And that's it. Your Verizon Wi-Fi password is updated and secure. If this guide helped, drop a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.